How's it going, everybody? So this is going to be the first video I share on this channel related to e-com or business. So a little bit about me. I do a few different things, but I run a e-commerce business on eBay. I also do some freelancing, providing services to business owners, from writing to logo design, web design. But I do have an extensive background in eBay, and I like sharing my knowledge with the world. I have another channel that I created a couple years ago called Ecom the Freedom that I was attempting to post, or not attempting, I posted content on there. However, I was kind of split between that channel and then trying to start, like a personal type channel and kind of all over the place. So I decided recently, a couple months ago, to start this channel. I'm Ryan Steven, to just share my life in general. And part of that is being what I do online, and one of the things that I do online to earn some money is selling on eBay. So, what I'm going to show you today is how you can literally go and find some products to sell, even if you don't have a lot of money, even if you don't even have an eBay account. I'm not going to show you how to set up an eBay account in this video, but let's just say, once you get an eBay account set up, or if you already have one, that you once in a blue moon have sold something on or whatever, or bought something with, you can go ahead and use what I'm about to show you in this video without letting it run too long. How to find some products that you can flip for a product, and how you can do that without even having to invest any money into the product initially until the product sells. So I'm going to show you right now. So we are going to look up a whisk set. All right. So the general strategy is to find items that have sold, and items that have sold several times, but not so many times where it's like thousands or even hundreds. And in addition, sellers that have, I would say, realistically anywhere from, like 100 to up to maybe like 5,000 feedback. That's really going to be your sweet spot. I'll go over in other videos as to why the reasoning is behind that. But just right now, again, not to let this run too long, we're going to look for something that is more along this line. And then with this amount sold versus something like this, 1,300 sold, 477,000 feedback. So again, not going to cover why right now. I'm just going to go ahead, open this in a new tab. I'm going to find a couple products. So right now, again, not to go into too far detail, just looking at products that have sold. So searching a product on eBay, number one, random product, whatever, household product, what have you. And then looking for products that have sold, I would say at least a couple times, if not a few dozen times. And sellers that have anywhere from, 100 or a couple hundred to a couple thousand feedback realistically. Okay, so let me see. All right, gonna click search here. Gonna keep searching here. 54 sold 20. Okay, maybe. Let's see. This is one that he physically has in stock. So, not to skip ahead, but you're also looking for items that, not something that somebody just has in their house that they're going to ship out and sell. So I sell products that I store in inventory, that I buy to resell later. But in addition, I do what I'm showing you. The price is so low though on this one, to generate some income without having to. All right, with that I got 3 already. So all right, again, I'm not trying to let this video run too long. But all right, you have these 3 options, right? This product, from this seller, and this product from this seller. Okay. Now, the intention here is you're going to find a product that is being sold at a profit, that's already been sold at a profit, and that way you can try to do the same thing. Okay. So again, just speeding through this, you're going to want to grab a portion of the description, and you're going to want to search Google for that. Okay, what comes up? Generally speaking, with most items that are like this, as I said, this is why you're not going to select an item that has pictures, somebody taking pictures of this on their bed. an item that has professional photos and stock photos, not stock, but like actual like marketing brand photos, if you will. The reason being is when you search for these products, most of the time you're going to find them on other marketplaces. So Amazon is a very common one. There's some others as well, Walmart, so on. I'm not gonna, again, trying to keep this video like 10 minutes more or less, so I'm not gonna jump too far ahead or jump into too much detail. But okay, so here we have this set here, okay, and here we have that same set here. Excuse me, itchy nose here. Okay, this set is being sold at nearly double the price. And you know it's the same set because of the photos. You see here these photos, okay, and then you see here these photos. Okay, clearly it's the same item being sold. So this person is buying from Amazon with their Prime subscription, and then they're selling the product on eBay for nearly twice as much, but they're, after fees and what have you, they're probably still making a good like 20-30%. So it's pretty nice little margin on this small little set, really. Probably turning $6 to like $8 or whatever, something like that. Excuse me, this one. So percentage wise, it's not a grand dollar amount they're making up front, or you're making up front, but percentage wise, you're making probably about 20 or 30% on your money. So the idea is you're going to list this product, which I'm not gonna keep saying this, but I'm not gonna cover all that right now. But the idea is you're gonna list this product, or I should say this product specifically, list this product with all the details as possible into your eBay store, and you're going to obviously mark up the price. Ideally, you're going to want to put the price a little bit below the person that you're basically, if you want to say, taking inspiration from their listing, whatever you want to call it. Good artist copy, great artist steal. So hey, it's kind of like what we're doing here. We're not stealing, but you know what I mean. So point is, you want to list this product. There would be ways that you would spruce this up, but again, I'm just giving you the overview right now. You would spruce up the actual listing, your listing, to make it better than this. This is just like completely basic. Like he literally just went over here to the Amazon description and copied and then pasted it right in. Like he didn't even try to do anything at all whatsoever. So with that being said, excuse me, sorry, I had a little notification here. With that being said, it's basically you're listing a product that you find somewhere else online, ideally somewhere reliable that you can get the product at a good price and get it quickly, like Amazon or Walmart or Home Depot, or there's many others, Costco, and sell it on eBay at a markup. And then the best part about it is all you have to do is the work of listing this product, and like I said, making your listing better than wherever you're drawing inspiration from, which there's many ways to do that. I'll show in other videos. And in addition, all you're going to do is list it, have it up there for sale, try to best this price a little bit if you want to. Ideally, you should, especially if you're a newer seller. And then when the product sells, all you do is put in your order from wherever you're getting it from, and you're shipping it to your customer. So just really briefly, in a few moments here, you just went online, you just jumped on eBay, you searched for a random product, whatever that is. You started searching for certain product listings that match certain criteria as far as being sold a few times, a seller that has some feedback but not too much. Look for the specific products that match that criteria and then go into them, highlight the part of the description or all the description. There's other ways you can search for it too, but that just happened to work on this. So again, already at 9 minutes, don't want to let it go too long. Search for it online, wherever you find it online. Take that information, list it then on eBay, make your listing better with different methods and means than this individuals that you're taking inspiration from. List it at a little bit of a lower price, so that way people are more incentivized to obviously buy yours. And then when the item sells, you just place the order and it ships directly to them, and you keep the difference, and that's it. So you can literally do this with products on a daily basis. If you are looking for a side income, you don't have a lot of money to start, really, this all it takes is some time. So you take an hour or two a day, even as little as 30 minutes to do some research, find a product or two to list, and do that on a daily basis. When I was first starting off, I was listing myself anywhere from 5 to 10 products a day, every single day, every single day. So that's basically what you're going to be looking to do. And you, over time, as you build up a group of items that are listed, you will start to get sales, and the ball will start rolling. So with that, already a little bit over 10 minutes, I will cut this off, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.